Good morning, Shamrock 296. We're just becoming fully established now. RP approach 27.
Shamrock 296, Bristol Tower, good morning, runway 27, wind 22004, clear to land.
Clear to land 27, Shamrock 296.
Vacate right, Golf, taxi stand 26.
Vacate right, Golf for 26, Shamrock 296.
Right, approach message. Range of our Juliet X-ray into runway 27, report vacated.
Shamrock 296 to 3 info, we got the lights about 50 feet above mid-off.
That's copy, thank you.
Bristol Ryanair 8 Juliet X-ray with uniform 1011, we're on stand 1, request departure instructions.
Ryanair 8 Juliet X-ray, Bristol Tower, good morning. You are cleared Krakow via the Baden 1 X-ray departure, score 4652, information X-ray.
Good Krakow on the Baden 1 X-ray and squawk 4652 and 1011, Ryanair 8 Juliet X-ray.
Ryanair 8 Juliet X-ray, read back correct, Q&H correct.
Bristol Ryanair 8 Juliet X-ray, stand 1, request push and start.
Ryanair 8 Juliet X-ray, stand 1, push and start approved, runway 27.
Push start, runway 27, Ryanair 8 Juliet X-ray.
8 X-ray, roger, runway 27, wind 2104, from between 190 and 240, clear for takeoff.
Yes, takeoff, runway 27, Ryanair 8 Juliet X-ray.
Jet 6 Kilo Juliet, runway 27, wind 2204, clear for takeoff.
Take off from Jet 6 Kilo Juliet.
Juliet X-ray, contact Bristol Airport 125,
5 Ryanair 8 Juliet X-ray.
6 Kilo Juliet, contact Bristol Radar 125.650.
25650, contact Juliet Kilo.
Shamrock 297, taxi, holding point Alpha X-ray, runway 27, QNH 1011.
101, the QNH taxi to runway 27, hold at Alpha X-ray, 297.
27, fire Alpha X-ray, line up and wait runway 27, report ready for departure, there's no inbound traffic.
Fire Alpha X-ray, line up and wait runway 27, shamrock. Good night,
Shamrock 297, ready for departure.
Shamrock 297, roger, runway 27, wind 2204, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 27, Shamrock 297.
Shamrock 297, contact Charlie Radar 125, destination 55.
125, 855, Shamrock 297, thanks out there, see ya.
Bye.